Let's get it up! If you don't know, everybody, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my sons, Angelo and CB2 at the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey about Walworth because why? Plumber's not going nowhere. He ain't awake yet, folks. We got multiple jobs today. We're going to try and get some shots. Stay tuned and we'll see when we get there. You're lucky you caught that. Come on now. Folks, we're doing 105 North, which is that gray building next to the fence. On the right hand side, the wire fence, the 8-footer. Here's the alley. We have a backed up sewer. One sewer box. We come up the alley. Two sewer box. We're going to open this up because it looks like it's been overflowing. Right here, I see a little. Angela, let's open this one up first, okay? Thank you, sir. Come back this alley here. Apartment's on the right. Hey, good morning, young lady. Graduate, looks like. And here we have the backup. So we're going to get to the bottom of it. We got a backup right here. Got the curb plunger. And we're holding water big time. I got the boy on it. Oh, look at this. Alright, so we got a common situation going on here. Alright, let's plunge that over here, Angelo. Give us some juice. Just don't splash up, you know what I mean? Up and down, doggy. Oh, hold on. Add this little twist to the story. Here's the homeowner's box. So, okay. Huh. Oh, I hear you. So that pipe on that side must come down the alley some way crazy. Picks up that over there. I hear you pumping. Huh? You got it? Here it comes. Oh, you're good. There it is. Wow. Angel, come check it out. This is really a crazy setup. So they got a big hole cut in this. It looks like a 12-inch sewer. Okay. Plus we have a clean out right there. I don't know what that goes to. Alright. The sewer rack. Woo. Okay. Let's put this lid back so we're good here. And let's call the homeowner, tell him what's going on. Excellent, Angelo. Excellent. Flowing nicely. Look at this mess. Yeah. It's all these traps out here. Let me see that curb plunger. Another trap. These are all baby wipes. No bueno. Alright. It's fucking crazy. Now you wonder why shit blocks up, right? Tin foil. Hola.
What do you mean?
No. Use your head. Upside down. No. There you go. No. You're close.
Like that kind of? Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right.
That's perfect.
There you see it. That's some making it happen sewer connections. How'd you like it?
Got it.
What we got? What we got? What we got? What we got? And there goes another satisfied customer! Cell phone?
It was
Oh, sorry. Alright, so this might be him, Ange. Contact information, let's call him up.
Hello, this is Derek speaking.
Hey Derek, Chuck Barron Plumber.
Hi, how are you today?
Good. I'm at your property. Are you close?
You are?
You close by?
I would say 15 minutes. I didn't realize. I thought the shooting said 10:30.
Yeah, I actually sent you a text. They were coming there early. I did clear it, and it was baby wipes again. But listen, I'll meet you here. We'll go over this, okay? How about I'll still meet here at 10:30. I got to go look at another job, and I'll swing back through.
Okay.
All right?
All right, bye-bye.
You got it, sir.
Good.
I'll see you shortly.
All
Bye-bye.
right, goodbye.
What up, dude?
You see the cat? He's an old Rough Rider. He's a Rough Rider.
Yeah, he's moving slow motion.
Are we still on camera? Here we go. Is your son Derek?
Yeah.
I just spoke to him.
Yeah, what happened?
You have baby wipe problem over there. Are you on 105 North?
Yeah.
Okay, it's clear now.
Uh,
I'll meet him back here at 10:30 to go over the whole situation with him. Yeah, you can't put baby wipes in the toilets because I don't know if it's you guys, but they just clog up the whole line.
yeah.
It's a special system they got here between the units going through a pipe into another pipe. But it was definitely clogged between your clean out and the alley clean out.
But
So
now everything okay?
everything's okay now. When I come back with Derek, we'll flush it with him. We'll show him what's going on.
Did you use a snake or?
We used the plunger, the curb plunger.
Yeah.
I want to show him what we did and, show him what's going on. Because in the alley, you'll see I left it there, all the baby wipes are laying there.
A lot?
A lot. And they don't,
From the
I don't know where they're from, but they don't dissolve. They never dissolve, okay? Toilet paper only, I don't know if it's you guys or whoever it may be, but it'll never work. It's going to keep clogging up. And I know it's your third time, right?
yeah, that's
On top of it being an old sewer, it just the system cannot handle it whatsoever. Okay, but I got to go look at another job. I'm going to meet Derek back here in 35 minutes. All right? Yes, ma'am. You can watch it if you want. Put it back to where it was, yeah.
Alright.
There you go. Sounds alright.
Yeah, sounds pretty crazy. I don't know if you could see that or not. But I just went right in and I got darkness.
Alright, just keep trying to go through. Yeah, keep going.
I'm just saying. It's right there.
How many feet's that?
8.
Alright.
Might be the manhole.
If you can make it. Can you have them flush the toilet a couple times? Yeah. That'd be great. This way it might clear it. for us to here, hold on, let's do it. Wait. How's the pitch, Ange? It should be negative.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, good.
Oh, excuse me. Can you just flush the toilet? Can you just flush the toilet a couple of times? Flush the toilet? The toilet? Flush it?
I want to see her flush it. That's where I stop. Because this is a trap. Comes out and drops. Makes a trap, sewer trap. Try to push through, Ange.
I did.
You can't get through?
I mean,
Keep pushing. It's too high. No?
I feel the cord starts to double up and shit.
Here it comes. Let's see. Let me look down there. When did they put this clean out in?
What is it?
Did you guys put this clean out in?
P9?
The clean out.
I have no idea.
I was supposed to hear. Okay.
Is it the flush?
Yeah. Barely got it.
Yeah.
We'll give her a flush again, okay? Thank you. Go ahead, back up so you get that shot again on that, whatever that was. Go ahead. Oh, you're right there. Okay, try to push through it again. Can't push through it. Give this.
That's what in that? What's in
That's
there?
a water meter.
So, all right.
Can you keep on doing it? Like, just keep on doing it?
Oh, right there. Stop. Where's that
Can
at?
you keep on doing it?
Going for it.
Like, keep on doing it. Again and again.
Back up just a
More.
little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, more.
Push back in.
What is that?
Oh, right there. Where's that at? Go that way. Go right. It's a broken line. Go ahead. Right down there. All right, now you're in there.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. There's something going on here. You have a broken, unless it's them coming in here. Go ahead, keep going. All right, this is your line now. You might have to go all the way out here and follow it as far as you can go. And then we come back. We'll see if we can navigate that again. Yeah, something's right here.
Pitch is good still.
Yeah. Yeah, some roots right there. Go ahead, back. See what the roots up top?
Yeah.
But nothing's blocked. Go ahead. Nice. We're 30 feet out now. Keep it all the way to the other pipe, okay?
I'll leave.
Right there, that's where it drops in. Right there.
Yeah.
Yep. Where's that at? How many feet's that?
32.
So that's right in the alley. Alright. Alright, pull it back. Let's try to get a shot of what's going on right there.
I think that was
There's
like,
something going on, right?
it was 9 feet.
Yeah. It might have been whoever put that clean out in.
Is that like the Zeno thing?
Yeah, this is your sewer line, all going all the way out. Well, right here, it's in bad shape. Don't get me wrong, but at least it's clear, right? You need a new line at some point. But you let me know when you're right there, Ants. You're 11 feet.
Should be coming up.
All right.
That's it, right?
Go back up. Go real slow because you might be able to catch, like right where it makes that connection. I want to have her stop running water real quick, all right? Can we have her stop?
Yeah, if I can.
Yeah, stop right there. Don't move it again. I mean, you're right there.
I'm already past it. I can't do it.
No, it was an inch. Right when you turn.
That was at 8 feet.
That was at 8 feet?
That was the thing at 8 feet, 8, 9 feet. Now I'm at 6. That's what I'm saying. I just came back and I didn't even see it.
I don't think you were.
Just turn
I'll go
everything
back
off
forward.
I mean, I'll go back.
Everything off.
Go
No
ahead.
water, okay?
Yeah, because we can't. This is when we
Yeah.
can't see the water.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
And then I would hit 8 to 9 feet, and I would start getting stuck.
You're stuck again? Gotta pop through. There
Yeah,
it
like
is.
there's a little. Yeah, I'm like stuck right here, kind of. And then you kind of just peek.
Alright. Go ahead, back up. Right there.
See, I just dropped in there.
Sit, yeah. Something. What time? Where's that? Is that the 8.5 foot mark?
It's right here.
Right there.
So I'm pretty sure like the water's like
8
from
foot.
this pipe dropping into or
Right.
breaking off into another pipe.
Alright.
Okay.
Now go real slow when you bring it out. Right where that T. See, we put a T in yesterday. The double clean out T. That's what this is on the bottom. It's a double clean out. Go real slow. Come back up real slow. Oh, you gonna slide forward? Where you at?
I'm like right in the middle of it, right the drop off of it. So I'm gonna slowly come out.
What's the 40 side? Go ahead. The pitch. Minus. Go ahead. Go real slow. -4. Right there. That's something going crazy right there. Go ahead. Yeah. 7 foot. So this is like 4 foot down with the camera. Is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So it's right here. I'll be honest with you. It looks like. Go real slow and pull it out, Angie. Somebody put this clean out. You can see where this concrete's been put in. That maybe this connection is bad, or something. Something's wrong. All right, prop up. So what I'll do is I'll give you copies, and it's going to have to drop up.
What does it mean in the
I don't know where the shore comes out. Like, I don't think there's ties in. I don't think so. We didn't see nothing. If it is, it's broken.